Welcome students in our divinity class. Today in divinity we will do lesson 6, the 6th guru. Lesson 5 you have already done. Now lesson 6, the 6th guru. All of you will take out your divinity books. Lesson 6, page number 19. Okay, see in your books. Guru Hargobind Ji was born on June 19th, 1595 at Wadali, a village in Amritsar district. He was the only son of Guru Arjan Dev Ji and Mata Ganga Ji. You know who is Guru Arjan Dev Ji? Last lesson you have read, the 5th Guru. Our 5th Guru is Guru Arjan Dev Ji, and Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji is son of our 5th Guru, Guru Arjan Dev Ji. He was just 11 years old when he succeeded his father, who was tortured to death by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Guru Hargobind Ji was a great soldier and a warrior. He fought many battles with the Mughals, who were forcing people to accept Islam. Is it clear? Now, after this reading, on the same page, we will do its back exercise. See in your book on the same page. Here is written, how much do you remember? What you have read in this lesson. How much do you remember? We will see here. First, number 1 is put tick against the correct statement and cross against the wrong statement. Just like true or false. If the sentence's statement is right, you have to put tick like this. And if the statement is wrong, you will put cross. Is it clear? Now listen carefully and see in your books also. Number 1, Guru Hargobind Ji was born in a village near Ludhiana. Where Guru Hargobind Ji was born? In Ludhiana? Near Ludhiana? No. We have read here at Wadali, a village in Amritsar district. So this statement is wrong. What we will do? We will put a cross here. Number 1, it's a wrong statement. Next, number 2, Guru Hargobind Ji was the only son of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Yes, Guru Hargobind Ji was the only son of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Then we will do? We will take it. Number 3, Guru Hargobind Ji was only 14 years old when he succeeded his father. He was 14 years old? No. What we have read here, he was just 11 years old. So this statement is wrong. He was 11 years old, not 14 years. So put cross here. Then number 4, he was a great soldier and a warrior. Guru Hargobind Ji was a great soldier and a warrior. Yes, it's right. What we will do? We will put a tick. Now last number 5, he didn't fight with the Mughals. He fought many battles with the Mughals, who were forcing people to accept Islam. The statement is right. We will put tick here. Sorry, he didn't. Though he fought many battles with the Mughals. Here is written he didn't fight, so this statement is wrong. We will put cross here. Now on the same page, next question number 2, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, Guru Hargobind Ji was born on dash. When was Guru Hargobind Ji born? June 19th, 1595. June 19th, 1595. 5. Number 2, on the next page, he was dash years old when he succeeded his father. He was 11 years old when he succeeded his father. He was a great dash and a warrior. He was a great soldier. SOLDIER. He was a great soldier and warrior. Last, number 4, he fought many battles with the dash. With whom he fought many battles? With the Mughals. MUGHALS. He fought many battles with the Mughals. Is it clear? And one thing you know, Guru Hargobind Ji won 2 swords. First is of Piri, second is of Miri. Now, after completing this on your books, take out your divinity notebook where you have earlier written your question answers of lesson 4 and 5. Now on the next page you will write down date, then chapter 6, the 6th Guru, and we will do question answers. Question number 1 is, where was Guru Hargobind Ji born? Answer, at Wadali, a village in Amritsar district. Where was Guru Hargobind Ji born? At Wadali, a village in Amritsar district. Question number 2, what is the name of Guru Hargobind Ji's father? Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Answer is Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Question number 3, who fought many battles with the Mughals? Answer, Guru Hargobind Ji. Guru Hargobind Ji fought many battles with the Mughals. Is it clear? Now you will do these 3 questions in your divinity notebook. As earlier I have told you, first write date, then chapter 6, the 6th Guru. Then question number 1, where was Guru Hargobind Ji born? Answer, at Wadali, a village in Amritsar district. Question number 2, what is the name of Guru Hargobind Ji's father? Answer, Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Question number 3, who fought many battles with the Mughals? Answer, Guru Hargobind Ji. Is it clear? Okay, complete this work very neatly in your divinity